Festivals of India.
Hello kids! Kids, do you know? India is a country with mixed culture. In our country India, we celebrate many festivals. Festivals are the celebrations that promote togetherness, bond of love and joy. We have two types of festivals in our country, religious festivals and national festivals. So, let's discuss about these festivals in detail.
Religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated as the festival of lights. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi, wear new clothes, and exchange sweets. Children burst crackers. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People greet each other with colors and sweets. A sweet dish called gujia is prepared on this day. Eid. For celebrating Eid, people go to the mosque to pray. They wear new clothes and wish Eid Mubarak. A sweet dish called Semia is prepared on this day. Guru Nanak's birthday is celebrated as Gurpurab. People go to the Gurudwaras to pray. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December every year. People go to church to offer prayers. Children get lots of gifts from Santa Claus. National festivals are celebrated for the nation by the nation. India has 3 national festivals. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from British rule. Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on Red Fort. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. A grand parade is held in New Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He is also known as the father of the nation. So kids, these are religious festivals and these are national festivals of India. Thank you.